Good morning, students. Okay, today I am going to explain about the module 3, that is workflow applications with task dependencies. Okay, under that I am going to cover for the like what are the workflow technologies, then Aneka task based programming, then task programming model. Okay, then how to managing workflows, then developing the applications. Okay, with the task model. So these all are the like different what is that sub topics, okay, which we are going to covered in this video. Then I'll move on to the, see, this is the index, means this is the contents. Okay, like just now only I told, right, for all the topics, that is workflow applications with tab dependencies. Okay, these all are the, okay, topics I am going to cover today. Then first of all, what is the workflow? Okay, the workflow, okay, which is nothing means the like the terms of the workflow. Okay, like what is that, it is one of the automations of the like automation of business process. Okay, that business process, okay, it should be a like a whole or like part of business. Okay, that can be that can be like what is that, transfer. Okay, means that particular business task, okay, we are going to transfer. Okay, like the business what is that process, okay, which is nothing but it should be a like information or it should be a documentation. Okay, that complete document or complete like informations about the business. Okay, or that particular task. Okay, the business or it may be a task. Okay, both are same. That like that can be like transfer or that can be a passes, okay, from one user to another user or one machine to another machine. Okay, for some of actions according to the some set of procedure. I'm repeating once again, what is the workflow means? Okay, the workflow, okay, which is nothing but it should be automations of the business process. Okay, this business process, okay, it should be a what is that? It should be a like part of, or it should be a whole, like sorry, it should be a like half, or it should be a whole. Okay, whole part of business. Okay, that, but like that business, okay, informations or that business documentations, okay, that can be a like transfer from one information, sorry, one user to another user, or it may be a one machine to another machines. Okay, for some actions. Okay, that actions, okay, how we are going to like do months, or how we are going to done months. Okay, according to some like some rules and regulations, or some like what is that, some like some business policies. Okay, based on that, okay, we are going to what is that, like prove the our workflow, means we are going to like what is, yeah, we are going to completing our task within the time. See, this is what the workflow definitions. Then I'll like move on to the, this is the what is that, this is the diagram of the workflow means, like this one of the DAC diagram. So the DAC, okay, which is nothing but it should be a like direct acyclic graph. Okay, this direct acyclic graph, okay, which is going to define the dependencies among the task or it may be operations. Okay, here the nodes, okay, of that particular DAG, they are going to represent the different tasks that can be executed in the workflow applications. And this is also like a dependence, I mean the whatever the like output, okay, from that particular one node, means the one node of the output, okay, they are going to dependent onto the next node of the input. See, this is what they have given here. See, this is the one node, okay, that can be dependent to the next node. See, this is, so this is what that DAC will be represented, means the first node of the input. Okay, so yeah, sorry, the first node of the output, okay, that can be a like input of the second node, like that. Okay, every node or all the node, okay, they are they are going to interconnected with each other. See, in the, they are going to like what is that, they are going to show in the acyclic graph representations. Okay, here what it will do means, like the what is that, the like the most of the nodes, okay, they are going to like perform the many operations that should be like transfer the template header. Okay, or it may be transfer the image file, and like it should be a like reprojection of the images, then calculating the what is that, different yeah, like image pixels. Okay, like that, like many operations, okay, they are going to perform. Along with that, they are going to do for the background corrections or background modeling. Okay, These all are the different, okay, operations they are going to taken care for the DAC, okay, by using the workflow method. Okay, see, this is about the DAC. Then I'll move on to the workflow technology. See, the workflow technology, okay, which is nothing but here the like we are going to use for the like business oriented computing purpose. Okay, this workflow technology, okay, we are like here we are going to use for the many specific as well as the standard workflows, okay, that is like business process as well as the execution language, okay, we are going to use like along with that, like what are the technologies, okay, we are going to use means, okay, here we are going to use for the Kepler technology, okay, DACman technology, cloud bus workflow management system as well as the offspring. These all are the different technologies, okay, for designing as well as the execute the workflow based on applications. See, then what is the Kepler? See, the Kepler is one of the open source scientific workflow engine, and this system, okay, this what is that Kepler system? It is totally based on the what is that Ptolemy second system, okay, which is going to provide the solid platform for developing the data flow oriented workflows. And this Kepler, okay, they are going to provide a design environment based on the concept of actors which are reusable as well as the independent blocks of computation such as web services, database calls, okay, these all are the different, okay, services they are going to provide for the Kepler. Then what is the DAGman? Okay, the DAGman, okay, this is also direct acyclic graph manager. It is going to what is that like it is going to handles the jobs interdependencies, means interdependently, okay, they are going to handles the job, and this DAGman they are going to act as the meta scheduler for like Condor by submitting the jobs of the scheduler of the appropriate order. Means like whatever the task, okay, they are going to like scheduling as well as that particular job they are going to what is that they are going to follow in the proper order. See, this is what this the DAGman, like that cloud bus workflow management, okay, this is also one of the middleware platform for building the as well as the managing the large applications in the wide distributed platform, okay, cloud platform. And this is also composes the many scheduling, execute as well as the monitoring the task, okay, under the cloud environment. And then what is the offering, okay, I mean like offspring, okay, offspring is also one of the programming based approach, okay, to developing the workflows. So this is about the workflow technologies. Then I'll move on to the Aneka task-based programming. The Aneka task-based programming, okay, they are going to what is that? They are going to support for like many many programming platforms. Okay, it may be task programming model. Okay, which is going to constitute the basic support for the basic support that can be given by the framework for supporting the executions of the a bunch of task applications. Okay, and along with that they are going to performing the many task applications, that it should be a parameter swept applications, okay, or it should be a legacy applications, and it should be a workflow applications. Okay, these all are the different task programming applications. Okay, they are going to executed in the Aneka. Then what is the task programming model? The task programming model, okay, which is going to provide the very as well as the quickly developing distributed applications on the top of the Aneka. And this task programming model they are going to use for the minimum set of APIs that are mostly mostly centralized in the Aneka. And this, okay, APIs they are going to use for the task, okay, task interface, okay, as well as the means they are going to use for the task libraries, or it may be a data files, okay, which is also required for dependencies of the Aneka applications. And then I'll move on to the is task programming model scenario. See, this task programming model scenario, okay, here two other components, okay, means here we are going to use for the Aneka task as well as the task management, okay, task manager, okay. And what it will do means, okay, you look at these applications, okay, you look at this, okay, Aneka applications as well as the task manager, then like local node and Aneka cloud. Okay, what it will do means here they are going to use for the, like I told, right, many number of libraries and data files, okay, that can be executed for the different tasks. Here like the two other components, that is Aneka task as well as the task manager, okay, they are going to use for the like client side view of the task based applications. Okay, what they will do means, okay, whatever the like whatever the request, okay, they are going to send to the node manager. Okay, node manager by using the http link, means like by using the http protocol, or it may be a like markup language, one of the programming language. HTTP means hypertext programming, okay, language. By using that, they are going to like send the request through the task manager, like Aneka task. Okay, that Aneka cloud, okay, whatever they are going to like receiving through the Aneka task, okay, that can be circulated, okay, inside all the like storage provisioning or like other like other, what is that, like sub activities, okay, which is already, what is that, which is already made up. Okay, so this is what the task programming, okay, which will be a executed, means they are going to like interact with the Aneka as well as the Aneka monitors and like executions monitors. Okay, these all are like these all are the different monitors, okay, which is also support for the for what is that, getting the output or result of that particular applications. So this is what the task programming model. Then I'll move on to the developing applications with the task model. The developing applications with the task model, okay, they are going to like execute the task based applications. Okay, they are going to involve the several components, that is defining the classes, implementing the iTask interface, then creating the like properly configured for the Aneka application instances. Then like it is also like what is that, the work completions, okay, it is not yet done, okay, we have to wait for some time, like that, like many tasks, okay, they are going to developing, okay, in this developing applications with the task model. Then along with that, okay, they are going to providing the like file management, controlling task executions, okay, web services integrations, task libraries, okay, these all are the like different applications, okay, they are going to support in the task model. Okay, then I'll move on to the developing parameter sweep applications. See, the developing parameter sweep applications, okay, like they are going to use for the, what is that, like many number of the integrated for these like many number of the yes, so today topic is developing parameter sweep application. See, the developing parameter sweep applications, okay, we are going to call it as the like a PSM applications. Okay, like it is also one of the like it is also one of the supporting applications for the Aneka. Here like what it will do means, like Aneka integrates the like many supporting applications, okay, in that parameter sweep applications. Okay, here like we are going to reading out the all the like parameters, okay, which we are going to executed in the programming. Okay, then like along with that, okay, they are going to use for the many number of APIs as well as the graphical user interfaces. Okay, everything they are going to use for the like common components of the client. Okay, and this PSM they are going to organize the several namespaces. Okay, that is aneka.psm.core means Aneka parameter sweep like what is that, applications, okay, dot core. These all are the different, okay, classes, okay, they are going to defining the template task as well as the client component, managing the like what is that, managing as well as the like providing the set of parameters. Okay, so the, like this is what the different classes as well as the what is that GUIs, okay, we are going to developing in these parameter sweep applications. Then along with that, like the next one is that this is what the managing workflows. Okay, the managing workflows, okay, they are going to use for the object model as well as the job object model. Okay, then like the object model, See the yeah the like sorry the managing workflows, okay, they are going to use for the different workflow engines, then offspring. Okay, the workflow engines, okay, they are going to use for the what is that plugin for the Aneka, which is all which is allows the client applications developed with any technologies as well as the languages. Okay, offspring means, well, it is the plugin as well as the plug out method. Okay, this is also one of the distributed engine environment. Okay, they are going to provide the many services. Okay, then what is the job object model as well as the then object model. Okay, then the job object model, okay, they are going to provide the multiple jobs or multiple what is that task, okay, at a time, okay, based on that they are going to executed by using the different classes. Okay, parameter sweep classes. Okay, based on that they are going to execute it different task within the time. Okay, for example, okay, what are the jobs, okay, they are going to taken care means that should be a copy task. Okay, copy task items, delete task items. Okay, then executed task items. Okay, substitute task item, components task item, parameter task item. So these all are the different jobs. Okay, they are going to taken care that every job they are going to show as one of the prototype model, means that should be object model, like that they are going to showing. Okay, then what is the object model? The object model is the fundamental elements of the parameter swept model that can be defined the Aneka parameter swept sweep model. Okay, and here the the namespaces as well as the we are going to use for the different job informations here. Okay, in this model, okay, they are going to same thing. Okay, it is also perform the many number of the parameter sweep what is that different task, execute task, constitute task. Okay, then what is that it is going to it is going to commenting that particular object models, means they are going to it is going to tells that particular job objects. So this is what the object model. So I'm going to cover all the tasks all the index, okay, which I am going to told for startingly. So this is what complete information is about the task programming model, and then task based applications and different what is that workflows. Okay, everything. Thank you.